Okay, so this is my Raspberry Pi controlled RC car or robot or something. It's controlled using the Raspberry Pi here, which I control from SSH on this computer. Right now I might make a web interface to control it later, but for now it's using SSH. It's got one servo in front here which controls the wheels. It's pretty simple. Left turns the wheels left, right turns the wheels right. Then there's this servo down there, it's a bit hard to see, which controls the back wheels, and it's used to drive the robot. So I got this differential gear right here, which allows the wheels to spin independently, so they can go both at the same time, and they can go one at a time. And this is needed if you want to control, if you want to have two driving wheels that should be able to turn. Because if both wheels spin on the same axis, they will stop, or one will have to slide when the other ones, because they don't go at the same speed in the corners. So that's what these gears do. And I'm using old Lego gears because they're really good for this kind of stuff. They're quite wide, so you don't have to have that much precision to control them. So I got 5 AA batteries right here, these things, which power the servos, and then I got the battery pack here, which powers the Pi. So they're powered independently. So if there's the servos pull too much power, the Pi will still work. You might have heard something weird there. Okay, so let's try and run it while it's standing here. So I run the script over SSH. When I start it, it goes into neutral position, and then I can do F, and it will go forwards or backwards. I changed the gear, so I'm not sure which. Oh, it's bouncing a bit. I can stop that. I can turn the wheels right, and I can turn the wheels left, and go back to neutral. I can also do this while it's running, so I can have the wheels spinning and then turn right. Of course you can go backwards, which would be a bit annoying if it didn't. So it doesn't work that well on the ground yet, because the gears aren't perfectly aligned, so the big gear down here will skip the small gears down here, especially when going backwards. So I can try driving it a bit, but it won't work that well. So I can go which way switch? Alright, forward, and it drives a bit slow, but that's all I got right now. The servos might be a bit too weak for this course. And now I'll try to go backwards, and this probably won't work, because as you can see, it starts, I don't know if you could see that, but the gears disconnect from each other. So it can't go backwards right now, which is something I have to figure out. But I can turn. I can do R and then F, and it goes right, and I can put it back to neutral. Okay, it's a bit hard to, when you can't go backwards, you have to force it backwards. And I can do left, and that didn't work too well. It went backwards at least, or forwards. Like I said, I'm not sure which direction is which now, because I changed the gears and it can only go one direction, so I have to say that's forward for now. So you can see the third servo there. I might put an ultrasound sensor on the camera there, so it could maybe run automatically, and I could get some video from it, which would be cool. So, but first I have to figure out the whole gear thing, which doesn't work right now. So that's it for now.